Is 4 days enough time for a Vietnam trip? 4 days in Vietnam? It can work if you treat it like a sprint. The key is focus. Pick one region and commit. Don't waste a precious day flying between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. You'll lose time to airports, traffic, and fatigue. Go north. Base in Hanoi's Old Quarter. Day 1, wander the lakes, temple sites, and night market. Day 2, take a Ha Long Bay or Ninh Binh day trip for limestone cliffs and river scenery. Day 3, dive into street food, the Women's Museum, or Train Street area, then sunset at West Lake. Day 4, coffee crawl and last-minute shopping. Or go south. Base in District 1, HCMC. Day 1, War Remnants Museum, Ben Thanh, and rooftop views. Day 2, Cu Chi Tunnels or a Mekong Delta cruise. Day 3, Chinatown, Cholon, craft coffee, and Wen Yue walking street. Day 4, brunch and markets. Logistics. Pre-book day tours, stay central, pack carry-on, start early. Weather varies. Cooler winters up north, wet heat down south, so plan outfits. Budget mid-range, around $100 to $150 per day, excluding flights. Is 4 days enough for Vietnam? No. But for one city plus a killer day trip, absolutely.